So we chose that area because we live here, we work here, and we're part of the local ecosystem. And so being in that part of the CIIE was actually important to us. What you will see, we have I think a pretty cool booth design, and it won't be like anything else you'll see there. I can promise you that. Is to touch the lives of everyone in China every day, and through healthcare with our medicines like in diabetes and in oncology and in fertility and in life science, as we've just talked about, or in electronics, whether it be semiconductors or displays. We actually do touch the lives of everyone in China every day.